Hello everyone, I'm back again trying to take out this front right here. We're getting there. So, however, it claimed its first victim. I have blood in this truck now. But yeah, I'm gonna get this off. I'll be giving you quick updates. As soon as I get the support off, I'll let you know when I take off the clutch, hand clutch. That way I can get that gone, deleted, and we'll see what else we can do here in a little bit. I only got so much time because then the sun comes out and it gets hot, and I'm not at the shop at the moment. Okay guys, quick update. I'm about halfway through the front. I've taken off a lot of bolts. A lot of them were 10s, 13s. What was giving me trouble to get the fan out because it was crushed in. Right? I mean the fan shroud because it was crushed in. Took off all the air filter. Got it out. Just gotta take off a couple more things from the radiator, and it's all out. Be careful with these lines. Cover them if you're not gonna work on it in the next couple of months, because you just never know, you know, dust getting in there. See how crushed that is? And here's my big trash pile so far. We're starting to get there. And then I have bags full of bolts, which I might need. And that'll be it for this at this point right now. I'm gonna take a break and come back and keep on taking stuff off. And it's off. So I'm here to tell you I'm sorry, but I should have left the VIN number, and it's a 4.8. And right now I'm at a standstill because I have no more parts or nothing else I can do to get ahead. What I am doing is getting that and soaking up the bolts to the headers, because those are gonna come out. And I want to soak them in because I've had past experience where I put long tube headers and I had to take out those bolts, and they were so like in there, like from rust, that one of them broke off. This one, I was looking at it and they might have attempted to take it off because it looks like there might be one broken over there, and it looks like this one's missing over here. So that's gonna cause me some issues, but we'll see when we get to it. I have ordered the headers for it. I already got my electric cutoffs ordered, cold air intake, and I'll probably be ordering my muffler soon, most likely MagnaFlow. And what else am I gonna get? I'll slowly put it together. I do plan to get the exhaust before the tire, and it is going to be true dual, because I've had past experiences from other truck true dual of the sound of it, so that's where we're going to go. But for the meantime, it's going to stay with the 4.8 until one of my buddies starts building me a 6.0. It's going to be a pretty nice 6.0 once it's done. But for now, that's it. I will be going to a truck show on July 9th. It's gonna be pretty nice. I'll be taking some video and whatnot, and maybe showing you one of my other trucks. Alright, that's it for now. And please like, subscribe.